Hello everyone, welcome to Tech and Travel. So I've just received my AirTag and the accessories. Let's pull these out. So here we have one leather key ring. I also got a Belkin secure holder with strap in two colors, the white and the blue that looks a bit like purple. And then the big one, the AirTags. And this is a pack of 4, pretty compact size. I was surprised to see it so compact. I thought it would be a larger box. So let's get unboxing it right away. All right, there we go. Okay, so there we go. Here is a nice box. As always, great Apple experience in unboxing it. So this is my AirTag. Let's open it. Nice compact packing. I can't believe it contains 4 of these AirTags. Let's look at how it is packed actually. There's something still left to unbox. Let's open this up. Very neat. There are 4 AirTags here. So let's start opening this. Let me take one of these out. And there we have our 4 AirTags. Let's pick one of these, unwrap the plastic around to experience the look of the AirTag for the very first time. Here we go. Looks impressive, shiny, the metal is of high quality, and let's go ahead and pull this plastic to activate the battery. We heard that sound. That was quite nice. Very nice. Awesome. Okay. So there we have one AirTag. Let me now go ahead and quickly unwrap and activate the other 4 as well. Nice. Now this chim is pretty impressive. Now AirTag has a built-in speaker to play sound in order to help you locate the AirTag. This speaker is, however, not externally visible anywhere. It is right here underneath the surface, hidden and therefore water resistant. Let's just go through this. It says it's designed by Apple in California, assembled in China. It says Bluetooth LE, ultra wideband AirTag. So here we have our 4 AirTags. I'm going to get 3 of them away so that I can set them up one by one. This is one AirTag. As you can see, it's pretty nice and thin, but if you look at the overall thickness here, that's not insignificant. That's quite a bit. So let's get going. Okay, so here I have my AirTag. I go to Find My app, go to the Items tab, which has recently been introduced. Press Add Item, and there you go. Yeah, now as you can see, since there are 4 AirTags there, it says more than one AirTag detected. Bring first AirTag near the iPhone to begin. Okay, and I'm gonna give it, there are some preset names here, from backpack, bike, camera, handbag, headphones, jacket, keys, luggage, umbrella, wallet, and you can obviously see customer name. I'm going to give it keys to start off with, and then it's going to register this AirTag under my Apple ID. Yep, and it says setting up. There we go. We heard a chim. It has set up now. And as soon as it's connected, you can see there are 3 things that this AirTag can do. 1, you can use precision finding. 2, you can play a sound. And 3, if it's further away, you can spew directions in the map. So that was the unboxing and the setup of the new AirTag. If you like what you see, do remember to like this video. Let us know your feedback in the comments and subscribe to our channel. We are in the process of running a few more tests on the AirTag, and we'll be back with our next video soon. For more such unbiased reviews and for the latest on Tech and Travel, subscribe to our channel Tech and Travel.